Welcome back, students. Now we will perform the activity 5 in your handout, page number 77, creating and configuring a NAT or network address translation task. Okay, so I'll go to my server. This is my server. So I have there was already installed that routing and remote. No, I uninstalled it. Okay, and installed with the direct access VPN and routing feature. After that, I came to routing and access remote access window. There I will right click and again configure and enable routing remote access. Okay, here we have to choose NAT feature instead of VPN. You remember we choose custom configuration earlier. Now we will choose network address translation. This actually used to convert private and to public address. Okay, see, clients can use or connect to the internet using one public IP. Next, choose the new adapter you have made for NAT Ethernet 2. Next, finish. Click finish and just wait for this activation. Once it is done, we could see the NAT under IPv4 on the left side. Here we are enabling that services. Okay, so I think it is now done. Configured NAT for Ethernet 2. Finish. Let's wait for this button. Okay, finish processing. As it is done the remote access. Okay, it takes time. Okay, otherwise it would have been finished long back. Just wait. If you are doing it your college computer, it will finish faster, but as I'm accessing remotely, this takes this much time. Okay, now this still it is processing. Just wait. Please wait while the remote access management service and necessity start. Okay, I'm waiting. Error occurred. Click my computer and manager. Okay, what happens? Click OK. Thing. Let me see that that is done or not. Yes, it is done. Okay, NAT is installed. Now, what I will do is right click the NAT or Ethernet 2. This is the interface, right? Ethernet 2 properties. See, NAT for which interface? Public interface connected to internet. Okay, that option just put, if it is private, make it public. Okay, click OK. Now, how do we test NAT working or not? We have to change some IP address settings in the server. Okay, so here before that we have to check what is the DNS server of our real machine. Usually this step you have to do while checking the IP address or DNS server of your college computer. I am doing my okay, I will also do the same thing. Let me check our college PC here, right? Let me check here. This is the PC. Let me check this one. I think this is the PC here. See, okay, where's the college PC? This one is server running. Okay, maybe this is the college PC. This one. Let me check the DNS of college PC. Okay, my username. So ip config space slash all. When I put this, I could say the DNS server of college C 172.16.0.4. This or this 0.6. I will take 172.16.0.4 because that's the one I put in the handout. So I will take, I'll note down my pen. Okay. My DNS server IP 172.16.0.4, because public IP means the IP we are going to use for the computer for internet. Okay, so it should be unique. For that we need the DNS server. Okay, so we have to change this in the which one, our server machines IP address. Okay, so I'll go for local server. Make it fast, Baba, fast, fast. It's coming. Once it is coming, you should open the Ethernet, the first adapter, and you have to change the IP address DNS value. Okay, then we have to turn on the Windows client also. So let me wait for the Ethernet adapter to come here on the screen. Okay, it takes time. Sabr because it is done remotely. It takes lot of time. If you're doing from college, it will be very faster. Access it faster. Okay. It's coming. Still that domain name is not updated. The Ethernet adapter is not displayed. Okay, we'll wait. Still that firewall status also unknown. Now it is off. Now the two adapters come. Okay, you have to go for the first adapter, Ethernet. Click this. Open the adapter as it is remotely accessed. No, takes a lot of time, Baba. Now Ethernet. Don't go for Ethernet 2. Go for Ethernet. Double click. Properties. IPv4. You have to double click. Now this DNS server you have to give 0.4. The same thing you have to do in the client also. Okay. Okay. Actually, this is we do in the server. Okay, first thing is server, then we'll change in the client. Okay, this is the server part. Just change the DNS server, not the same server, because I put the college, the real machine DNS server. This is a virtual machine IP. No, this is DNS server of real Windows machine. Click OK, click OK, click goes. Okay, it will be updated in the background. Now we need to go to the Windows client also. Okay, before that, where is DNS NAT? Let's open the Google Chrome here. Let's just open the browser here. Let me see browser opens or not. I think we should do in the real machine or virtual machine. Let's wait. Okay, don't use recommended settings. Okay, let me see the internet. Google.com. Okay, okay. Google is coming. Okay, after that, go for in the server. Here we have, okay, you open the browser. Okay, after that, what we should do is open the client machine. Open the client machine. Okay, before that, just check this Ethernet to. Okay, see, These are the mappings. Okay, see here for this private IP, server IP, port number mentioned, public address they use 10.03.15. Okay, port number, remote address, the DNS server is this one. Port number, DNS port 53. Idle time is there. Okay, just close this. We saw public to private to public IP mapping. Okay, now just click this show mapping. Same thing here. Outbound. This is my private IP. I open Google Chrome no or browser no. My private IP 1.2. Private IP means my server IP. My private port, my public IP. Whatever you do, the IP address moving out of the machine to internet will be 10.03.15. Okay, this will be the IP. Now I will open the client also. Let's see the client machine. I'm not sure whether this network is fast so that I can test the client also. I already checked the NAT in the server. No, I opened the website google.com and I could see the private IP and public IP mapping. But